Students, so previous classes exercise 2.1 homework. So I think all you are completed. Some questions I discuss. Question number fourth part. Question number fourth का third part. Question number 4 का part third. This is exercise 2.1. A given A is 1, 2 and B given 3, 4. Then A cross B intersection phi, so that is equal to phi. This is so that A cross B intersection phi. So first find B intersection phi. Find B intersection phi. Phi is a null set and B intersection phi means, now find what is the common element between B and phi having no any element. So B intersection phi is equal to phi. Now find A cross B intersection phi is equal to A cross phi. A cross phi having no any element, and A cross phi is a Cartesian product of two sets whose all elements in ordered form, whose first entry belong in set A and second entry belong in set phi, but phi having no any element. So A cross phi is equal to phi. Proved. Now question number 5. 5. A given -1 and 1, then find A cross A cross A, triple A cross A. Find A cross A cross A. So A cross A, first you find A cross A also. First find A cross A. So A cross A, that is -1 1 cross -1 1. This equal to -1 -1 comma -1 1 1 -1 and 1 1. This is the element, 4 element. Now find A cross A cross A. So A having 2 elements, -1 and 1, and A cross A having this also a Cartesian product method. This is a set. So cross -1 1 first element is -1 -1 -1 1 1 -1 and 1 1. Now taking क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट, तो आप ये 1 के साथ क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ईच एलिमेंट के साथ लें. दैट इज दिस कैन रिटर्न -1 -1 -1. नेक्स्ट -1 -1 1. नेक्स्ट -1 1 -1. नेक्स्ट -1 1 1. नाउ फाइंड सेकेंड एंट्री. -1 के साथ सबके एलिमेंट ले लिए, नाउ 1 के साथ. सो हियर इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी राइट इन ब्रैकेट, नॉट नेसेसरी. फाइंड A cross A cross A. This is the value of A and A cross A value of this. Okay. So -1 1 1 all completed. Now this 1, so 1 के साथ सबका एलिमेंट लिख दें. So 1 -1 -1, then 1 -1 1, then 1 1 -1, then 1 1 1. सबका एलिमेंट पहले -1 का एलिमेंट सबका साथ ले लीजिए अलग अलग, फिर 1 का एलिमेंट सबसे अलग अलग. So this is the element of A cross A cross A. Now question number 9. Question number 9. Ninth is A cross B be two sets such that number of A is equal to 3 given and number of B is equal to 2 given, and x1 y2 and z1 belong in A cross B. That is, 3 elements of A cross B are given, where x, y, z are distinct elements. Let A be given 2 set, number of given, if this, find A and B. A and B find. So they are the element of Cartesian product of 2 sets A cross B, which first entry belong in set A. So set A is equal to what? First entry, that is x, y and z, and set B is equal to second entry, that is 1 and 2. Number of A equal to 3, number of B is equal to 2. So this is the A and B. Now question number 10. 10 is a Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements. That is given A cross A, number of A cross A is equal to 9, among which are found -1, 0 and 1, 0. That is -1, 0 and 0, 1, both are belongs to A cross A. Both are element of A cross A. Find the set A and the remaining element of A cross A. So this is the element of A cross A. So first entry belong in set A and second entry also belong in set A. So since this belongs to A cross A, this imply -1, 0 and 1. This all are belongs to set A. All element -1, 0, 1 all are element in set A. So now find A cross A. Here question is what is find, then find the set A. So therefore set A is equal to -1, 0 and 1. Now find remaining element of A cross A. So first find A cross A. Find A cross A. Here find remaining element of A cross A. 2 elements are given. Find remaining element. So first find A cross A. So A cross A is equal to, फाइंड कर लोगे A cross A -1, -1, -1, 0, -1, 1, then 0, 1, 0, -1, second element 0, -1, then 0, 0, and next 0, 1, next 1, -1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. This is the A cross A, and here 2 elements given, -1, 0 given, -1, 0 and 0, 1. This 0, 1 given, 0, 1 given. So write remaining elements. These are remaining elements. Write remaining elements of A cross. Now start this exercise completed 2.1. So now start relation. Relation. So write definition of relation. Relation. Relation is denoted by R, and that R is a subset of A cross B, where A and B are non-empty sets. That is, a relation R, right definition, that is if R is the subset of A cross B, where A and B are non-empty sets, is called a relation from set A to B. That is, every relation is the subset of Cartesian product of two sets. So if R is the subset of A cross B, where A and B are non-empty sets, then R is called relation from set A to set B. For example, suppose set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 having element 3, and set B is equal to AB, suppose having 2 elements. This is set A and this one is set B. Set A having 3 elements and set B having 2 elements, and R is a relation from set A to set B. Suppose this 1 is related to A and 2 is related to B and 3 is related to C. Suppose A set B also A, B, C 3 elements, A, B and C, suppose 3 elements. Set B suppose also 3 elements, A, B and C. So here 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B and 3 is related to A also. So this A is called image of 1. Here 1 is related to A, 2 is related to C and 3 is related to A also. So this can also written R is equal to 1A, 2C, next 3A. This is 3A. Clear relation? And all entry of element of R, all first entry of element of R is called domain. What is the first entry? Domain. The set of all first element of R is called domain. The set of all first entry, that is first element. Here first element, there is first element, first entries or first element or first entries, the set of all first entries of element R is called domain. So what is first entry? So here domain D is domain denoted by D. What is the first entry? First entry is 1, 2 and 3. So this 1, 2, 3 is called domain. And set of second entry is called range. The set of all second entry is called range. The set of all second entries, and range denoted by R relation, right here range. So range is equal to the set of second entry. What is the second entry? A and C. Here A repeated, but not that in repeated elements. So only A and C. So AC is the range, and 1, 2, 3 is a domain. So domain and range clear. And if R is a relation from set A to set B, then this set B is called codomain. Set B is called codomain. Here set B is called codomain. Whole set B is called codomain. That is second set. Second set of a relation R, that is A cross B, in which set B is called codomain. Okay, so this definition clear. Now example number 9. Example number 9. Example number 9 now. So read the question. What is example number 9? Example 9 is A given 1, 2 and B given, or first you remark, first you check the remark, the total number of relation. Suppose if number of A is equal to P and number of B is equal to Q, then what is the number of element of A cross B? The number of element of A cross B, previous classes already discussed. Number of A cross B is equal to number of A into number of B, and number of A is equal to P, number of B is equal to Q. So this is the value of number of A cross B, and since each subset of A cross B is called relation, because if R is a subset of A cross B, then R is called relation from set A to the set B. So check that how many subsets of A cross B, because total number of element is PQ. Therefore, total subsets of total number of subsets of A cross B is equal to, what is formula? 2 to the power n, n that is number of element, and here what are the number of element? PQ. So 2 to the power PQ. Here total number of subsets, since 2 to the power n. So total number of subsets of A cross B is equal to 2 to the power PQ. Therefore, the total number of relation from set A to set B is equal to 2 to the power PQ, where number of A is equal to P and number of B is equal to Q. This is the total number of relation from set A to the set B. Now example number 9. So 9 is set A given 1, 2 and set B given 3, 4. Find the number of relation from A to B. Same is formula. So number of relation is, since total number of relation from A to B is equal to 2 to the power number of, that is 2 to the power P into Q. Here number of A is equal to what? 2, and number of B is equal to 2. So this is the value of P and this is the value of Q. So number of total relation is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 2, that is 2 to the power 4. Here is formula 2 to the power PQ. So this is the total number of relation from set A to the set B. Remark, a relation R from A to A is also stated as a relation R. Suppose given R is a relation, that is if R is a subset of A cross A, that is that R, if R is a subset of A cross A, then R is called relation from set A to the set A. This also read as, then also we say that, a relation R on A. A relation R on A means R is the subset of A cross A. So this all term are completed. So now you exercise 2.2. You tried exercise 2.2. So if think this also chapter very easy. So try it exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2 homework. Exercise 2.2 homework. आप इसे ट्राई करोगे एंड आई डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके.